Hi there, buddy. Think you know it all? Well, did you know that nature is basically a stand-up comedian, just a way weirder and sometimes a bit terrifying? Ha! Hold on. Today I've got 5 facts for you that sound like a dumb jokes. But no, they are absolutely real. Ready for some brain spam? Behold is an unusual cucumber which has a bizarre defense. But that's just a start. Let's go! Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head? Yep, there are snails out there whose head are literally see-through. You can actually watch their brain and organs working inside, like some creepy biology exhibit. Scientists? They are thrilled. Perfect! A walking demo model. But imagine chatting with someone whose head is see-through. Zero privacy. Forget about keeping your thoughts to yourself. Everyone can literally see what is going on inside your head. So tell me, do you think that's a life hack or a total nightmare? Some fish don't just swim. They get out of the water and walk. Mudskippers, for example, use their fins like little legs to crawl on land. They even fight for over territory like teeny gladiators. We laugh at them, but hold on, aren't they basically rehearsing for life beyond water? Humans are dreaming about colonizing Mars, and their fish are already doing a test drive on Earth's dry land. So tell me, who is more really advanced here? Us or fish? Now, there is a horror movie come to life. The cordyceps fungus. It infects an ant's brain and forces it to climb a plant stalk. Then the poor ant just freezes while the fungus grows out of its head and launches spores everywhere. Creepy enough? Ants actually learn to kick infected bodies out of the colony before the fungus takes over. Basically like, sorry Paul, nothing personal, but we're not letting you bring some mushrooms into the house. Tell me, will you ever look at mushrooms in your grocery store the same way again? Yep, you heard it right. Sharks have been cruising the oceans for over 400 million years, while trees only showed up about 350 million years ago. Imagine being a shark and watching the first tree pop up. Oh, finally, plants figure out vertical growth. Cute. Next time someone says sharks are scary, just remember, they are basically the cranky old grandpas of evolution. When attacked, sea cucumbers don't bite, don't run. They just launch their guts at the enemy like, back off, or I will decorate you with all of my intestines. The wildest part? They grow it all back again. That's the ultimate party trick. Now you see my organs, now you don't. Nature, you are officially unhired. So buddy, nature proves, no sci-fi writer can beat the madness of reality. What was your favorite fact today? Drop it in a comment, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe because, trust me, the next batch of facts will be even crazier. Jay out.